Hi, this is Keith from Dandelion Energy's Service Department, and today we're going to be changing an air filter on a Dandelion Air. First, you have to locate the clasps. There's going to be one on top and one on the bottom. After you've released the clasps, then the whole filter door will come right out. After the filter door is off, then you can slide the filters in and out. Now it's time to install your new air filters. As you're installing your new air filter, ensure that the airflow arrow is pointing in towards the heat pump. Now you're ready to install the filter door. And now, you've just changed your air filters.